Hello my friends and welcome back. Alright, today we're doing a pecan and date loaf, which is a dense cake. Now, I've got to do this video properly because I can't tell you how simple it is and how yummy it is. Now, I'll just tell you a little bit about the dates first. Okay, so the dates I've got are dried and pitted dates, meaning that they've taken the stones out of them. Alright, now if you've never had these before, I don't eat dates, okay? I can't stand them. Oh, my partner eats them and it's like, oh. But this recipe, I can eat this, no problems at all. I've got no problems at all. So, alright, so the pitted dates, you want to get them from, if you go into your supermarket and you've never got them before, alright, you go into your cooking aisle, which is where all your plain flour and self-raising flours that are. And if you go down a little bit, you'll find all your different nuts for cooking. And if you go down a bit more, you'll find all your dry fruit for cooking. So you'll find them there, okay? Now, if you really can't stand dates, swap it out for sultanas. It's actually really nice with sultanas too. But even like I said, I don't eat dates, but Now, pecans, okay? These are pecans. I believe they come from the walnut family because they look heaps like walnuts. They taste heaps like walnuts. I think these are like the smoky version of walnuts. Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. But if you can't get pecans or you don't have them and you have walnuts, you can absolutely put walnuts in it and it's really nice too. But I'll tell you what, you can't go past these pecans. They are beautiful. So I usually get these ones. Of course, there's none left. So Australian pecans, of course, and the macro ones. Now, I got this bag on special, full bag, 250 grams. I got it for $8 at Coles, which is a bargain because like the little bags are like $12 normally. Like they are expensive, but they are beautiful. All right, so the next thing you need is you got to put your oven on 160 degrees Celsius to preheat, okay? Now, in a bowl, I have sifted 1.5 cups of plain flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2/3 of a cup of castor sugar. Now, last time I didn't have any castor sugar and I used normal sugar and it turned out fine. Alright, and then in a saucepan, you want to get yourself 125 grams of butter and 1/4 of a cup of milk, and you want to melt it down like slowly on your stovetop. Then you want to get your loaf pan. I just use a loaf pan. Alright, spread all your butter in it, tip a bit of plain flour in it, bang it all around the joint, go over to your sink, tip it upside down, bang it on your sink and get all your excess flour out. It's a bit of pain in the ass, but it's worth doing it because your loaf doesn't stick. Alright, so I'll put the recipe below anyway. I'll always put the recipe below. I'm just going to get another egg. Like I said, so simple. Alright. 2 eggs. Your dates. Pecans. I can't tell you how nice this smells too. And your butter and milk mix. And that is as simple as it is. It's crazy. It's so easy to make. Now, you cook it for 50 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your stove. I've got an electric stove. It's roughly around 50 minutes, but I don't know why. Sometimes I just take that little bit extra, and sometimes I don't. So, check it after 50 minutes. So, it's weird. It's a cake and a loaf all in one. So what it is like a really dense cake. Oh look, I just can't tell you how yummy it is. Like, I couldn't believe it. I made it for years for my partner. I probably started making this about 10 years ago. And I was making it for him and it just smelled so amazing all the time, but I can't stand dates. It's like, ugh. And then one day I just had the munchies that bad. I thought, you know what, I'll give it a crack. And I just couldn't believe what I was missing out on. Alright, then you get your loaf pan. Stick her in there. Ooh, get myself some lighter bowls. I'll lean against that. And it's as simple as that, folks. Whack it in there. 50 minutes to an hour. Now, having it hot is just amazing. It tastes beautiful hot. And having it cold with a cuppa, oh, my partner has it just on its own. I love having it with a little bit of butter on it. But, oh, just moreish. Like I said, I don't like it. I just keep going back for more. It's just that good. Oh, if you made it for your nana or your grandpa, or I tell you what, you'd be a favourite with them. Now, not only that, once you get it out, once it's all cooked, I usually slice it up and I'll wrap it singly. Excuse me. Wrap it singly, and you can freeze them like that, and they come out just the same. So, like, my partner goes to work, I'll pull one out of the freezer and put it with all his lunch I make him, and yeah, beauty. You should smell the smell. I'm smelling right now. Oh my gosh! All right, today it took an hour. I can't tell you how good this is, my friends. Alrighty, so you get it and it's nice and crunchy on the outside, and it's beautiful and soft on the inside. Alright, if you got a cake tray, oh, maybe I should. If you got a cake tray, cooling tray, chuck it on it. But I tell you right now, everyone here is going to get eaten straight away. I don't know why, it's normally really easy to get out. Probably should have used something thinner, but let's give it a crack, see what's going on here. Oh, the smell, that's what I want to hear, the rattling. Oh no! Mother ruffer. Look how beautiful that is. Hey, what a stunning loaf. Shit happens in cooking, my friends. Oh, it's hot. Alright. There you have it. Well, you can tell how soft that was, couldn't you? I'm going to cut a piece just to show you. Maybe leave it a little bit longer before you take it out. It's just in a big rice rush. Oh, look at this. See that, my friends? Oh, look. It's a beautiful thing, it really is. I can't believe I'm even saying that. Check that out. Well, I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks heaps for watching. And you just got to give it a crack. Bye.